Okay, let's talk about the minimum curvature radius and the effect it has when you adjust it. This black outside is a pocket with a slot, and this is the cutter I'm going to use to machine the pocket, rough machine the pocket. 22 millimeter, which is a 0.8661 diameter, into a 1-inch slot. You can see that it's going to fit in there quite nicely. It'll fit everywhere and rough this out. Except we have a couple of things that we have to take into consideration. First of all, we've left 20 thousandths finished stock. I'm just going to zoom in here a little bit. We've left 20 thousandths of stock to finish, but we can see that 22 millimeter cutter still will fit in here and will machine this. Excuse me. By default, our minimum curvature radius is set to 40 thousandths. So if we offset our finished geometry, which has narrowed the channel by 40 thousandths for our minimum curvature radius, you can see that the cutter no longer fits in the slot. It almost does, but it doesn't, and it won't be allowed to make the circular passes that it needs to make to machine this pocket. So what we do is we can go into our options and change the minimum curvature radius from 40 to 10. I'll just hide this stock. So there's our fin geometry. There is our 10 thousandths curvature radius, and now this cutter will come in here and we'll circle cut this out and complete all the roughing in one pass. I hope this is helpful.